guys! Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? I hope na okay lang kayo. So, for today's video, we have another requested song. And this one is a beautiful male song. Actually, I'm going to make a female version of it. And this one is entitled, Count on You. This is requested by my inang Reyna, Nanay Mare. So, alam niyo naman lahat ng mga requests ng nanay ko, talagang inuuna ko talaga yan. Diba, Mama? Because I love you so much, Mama. Inang Reyna, Nanay Mare. So, Count on You. This is popularized by Tommy Shells. A very beautiful song. And huwag na natin patagilin. I-push na natin to. Let's go. Hope you like it. Count on You.
The world's gone mad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we counted 1,000,000 stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at this once before. They made me blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. No questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to waste my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle fight. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Whoa, whoa,